How to clear cache on Lyft app. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you clear the cache of Lyft app. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your device. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll have to scroll down and go to the option general. Alright, so from here tap on iPhone storage. And now from here you'll have to scroll down and find out the application Lyft. Alright, so after you find it, tap on Lyft. Okay, so from this interface, tap on upload app. Alright, from here tap on upload app. Okay, so after you done it, you'll have to just again tap on the option reinstall app. Alright, so after you done this process from here, you'll be able to clear the cache of your Lyft app on your device. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.